In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install QuickBooks on your desktop with ease. Whether you're setting up QuickBooks for the first time or reinstalling it, rest assured that this process is straightforward and simple to follow. Let's dive right into it. The first step to installing QuickBooks on your desktop is to ensure you download the correct version for your needs, as different countries have distinct integrations. These differences could affect the functionality of your software, so it's essential to start on the right foot. You'll want to head over to your browser and navigate to downloads.quickbooks.com. Alternatively, you can simply search for QuickBooks Download on your preferred search engine and click on the first official link that comes up. This will bring you to the official QuickBooks Download page, which is where you'll be making your selections. Once you're on the download page, the first decision you'll need to make is selecting the country for which you'll be using QuickBooks. This is crucial because, as I mentioned before, each country may have unique integrations and compatibility requirements, and choosing the correct country ensures that your QuickBooks software will function optimally for your specific needs. Next, you'll need to select the specific QuickBooks product you intend to install. Whether you're going for QuickBooks Pro, QuickBooks Premier, or perhaps QuickBooks Enterprise, make sure to choose the product that aligns with your business requirements. If you're not sure which product is best for you, it could be helpful to consult with QuickBooks support or a specialized advisor to prevent any issues down the line. Once you've got your product picked out, you'll be prompted to select the year version of QuickBooks you wish to install. It's typically a good idea to choose the latest version available unless you have a particular reason to use an older one, as newer versions tend to include more advanced features and security updates. After selecting the country, product, and year version, go ahead and click on Search. This will prompt QuickBooks to display the software options available for download based on your selections. Once you see the software you need, click the Download button. The download process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so be patient as it comes through. Finally, once the download is complete, you can proceed to install QuickBooks on your computer. Follow the on-screen instructions during the installation process, and before you know it, QuickBooks will be ready to use on your desktop. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll have QuickBooks installed and ready to support your business needs in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.